How to lube your bike chain. There is a better way to do it. First, only apply lube to a clean and dry chain. Use bike-specific lubricant. There are two main types. Use dry lube for dry weather conditions, and wet lube for wet conditions. WD-40 is not a good option. Add a drop of lube to each roller. You do not need to apply lube to any other part of the drivetrain. It's best to start at the master link, so you know when you have made the full lap. Leave the lubricant on the chain for at least an hour, or overnight for the best result. This will allow the lubricant to penetrate deep into the rollers. Finally, wipe off the excess from the outside of the chain. This will prevent your drivetrain from attracting dirt, and keep it clean. Do this regularly, to maintain good shifting performance, and reduce wear to the whole drivetrain.